What is typical cost for water damage restoration?
That's a little bit difficult to answer because every water loss is a little different. It can be as minor as some leaky ice maker from a fridge that damaged a small portion of the kitchen to full sewer backups that have completely destroyed a basement level of a home. What's important is to take an assessment and determine how far that water has gone and what it has actually damaged. A company like Paul Davis Restoration can come in with specialty equipment, determine the extent of that water damage, and then make some good advice and recommendations on what to do about it to make sure the property is safe and protected and stable, but not go beyond what the insurance company would allow for cleanup and repairs.
Is water restoration covered by insurance?
That is very dependent on the policy and how it is written and the actual cause of that water damage. A company like Paul Davis Restoration can come in, make an assessment, and determine the cause of that loss and make some recommendations on what the best approach would be to working with your insurance company on how to handle that claim. Or if it's something that may not be covered, how is the best way to go around and get the repairs taken care of?
Is water restoration worth it?
Well, it does depend on the severity of that water damage. If you've got a small, wet section of carpet, it may not be necessary to call an insurance claim in and get a restoration company involved. But often it's hard to tell how far that water has traveled. A company like Paul Davis Restoration will come in and do that assessment at no charge, determine how extensive that water damage is, and make some recommendations on how to move forward if it's necessary to file a claim and get insurance involved, or if it's minor enough that it can be handled without insurance or handled on your own.